well, we just saw the uses of por. Now we're going to learn the uses of para. So we have 4 uses today. The first one is use para to indicate function. To indicate function. So, ¿para qué sirve el teléfono? ¿Para qué sirve el teléfono? What are phones for? ¿Para qué means what for? Sirve is from the verb servir, which means to serve or to function. ¿Para qué sirve el teléfono? What are phones for? What is a phone for? El teléfono sirve para hacer y recibir llamadas. El teléfono sirve para hacer y recibir llamadas. So the telephone works to make and to receive calls or phone calls. Este programa sirve para crear documentos. Este programa sirve para crear documentos. This program works or is for creating documents. So let's look at these 3 examples. The first one, ¿para qué? What for? ¿Para qué? What for? Para hacer y recibir llamadas. Para hacer y recibir llamadas. To make and receive phone calls. Para crear documentos. Para crear documentos. That means to create documents. To create documents. So you can remember, ¿para qué sirve? This is a good question. ¿Para qué sirve? What does it do? What does it, what's the purpose? Not what's the purpose. What's the function of something? All right, so let's look at the next rule. Use para to indicate reason or goal. So reasons and goals I think are pretty related. So I have 2 examples for you. Estudio español para poder hablar con mis suegros. Estudio español para poder hablar con mis suegros. I study Spanish in order to be able to speak with my in-laws. I study Spanish in order to be able to speak with my in-laws. The next sentence is hago ejercicio para estar en forma. Hago ejercicio para estar en forma. Hago ejercicio, I do exercise, or I exercise in order to be in shape. So these 2 examples, para poder hablar con mis suegros, in order to be able to speak with my in-laws. Para estar en forma, in order to be fit or to be in shape. All right, so that is to indicate reason or goal. Let's look at the next use. Use para to indicate recipient. So we have 3 sentences here. The first one is este regalo es para ti. Este regalo es para ti. This gift is for you. Rambo no es una película para niños. Rambo no es una película para niños. Rambo is not a movie for kids. Cociné para las visitas. Cociné para las visitas. I cooked for the guests. I cooked for the guests. So let's review these 3 examples. Para ti, for you, as in when something is for you, para ti. Para niños, no es una película para niños. It's not for kids. Para las visitas, for the guests. For the guests. Okay? So let's see. we have the last use of para to indicate destination. We have 3 sentences. The first one, el avión sale pronto para París. El avión sale pronto para París. The plane will leave soon for Paris or to Paris. Vamos para la fiesta en taxi. Vamos para la fiesta en taxi. We are going to the party in taxi or by taxi. And by the way, you can say vamos a la fiesta en taxi. That's also fine. Los niños van para la escuela caminando. Los niños van para la escuela caminando. The children go to school walking. So the children walk to school. Again, you can say los niños van a la escuela caminando, or los niños van para la escuela caminando. Para, I guess, indicates movement, not just destination, even though it is para la escuela. I can ask, ¿para dónde vas? Where are you going? I'm going to school, para la escuela. That's where I'm headed. Vamos para la fiesta. That's where I'm headed, to the party. Alright, so those are our 4 uses of para. Check out the next video for the review and quiz. Thank you for watching.